Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about top 5 most selling mobile in the world. Number 5. The Nokia 6600 is a smartphone introduced on June 16, 2003 by Nokia, costing approximately €600 when released in October 2003. It was Nokia's high-end model of the 6XXX Classic Business series. At the time of release, it was the most advanced product ever launched by Nokia, and it runs on Symbian OS 7.0 Series 62nd edition. It also featured a VGA camera, a music player and video player, Bluetooth and extended storage by memory card, being the second non-communicator to do so, after the Nokia 3650. The model is still in use in many parts of the world and has proved to be a durable product. By many users it is considered as the trendsetter phone, which proved to be a bright milestone for its manufacturer. The phone was intended to replace the popular 6310 IAS, the predominant business class model in the Nokia range. It should not be confused with the newer Nokia 6600 Fold, Nokia 6600 Slide and Nokia 6600i phones, which have little resemblance to the original 6600. A variant of the Nokia 6600 was launched in the US market as the Nokia 6620. Number 4. The Nokia 3210 is a GSM cellular phone, announced by Nokia on the 18th of March 1999. A combination of cutting-edge features such as internal antennas and T9 text entry ensured the 3210 huge commercial success. Much of the phone's success can also be attributed to an advertising campaign aimed predominantly at young people, a first in the mobile phone industry. The inclusion of 3 games, changeable, express-on covers, as on the previous Nokia 5110, an internal antenna, customizable ringtones and competitive prices led to the handset's huge popularity with those aged 15 to 25. It was also thinner than previous Nokia models. With 160 million units sold, the 3210 is one of the most popular and successful phones in history. It is considered one of the most significant handsets Nokia ever developed. Number 3. The iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus are smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Inc. It is the 8th generation of the iPhone, succeeding the iPhone 5S, and was announced on September 9, 2014 and released on September 19, 2014. The iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus jointly were themselves replaced as the flagship devices of the iPhone series by the iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus on September 9, 2015. The iPhone 6 and 6 Plus include larger 4.7 and 5.5 inches, 120 and 140 mm displays, a faster processor, upgraded cameras, improved LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for a near-field communications-based mobile payments offering. The iPhone 6 and 6 Plus received positive reviews, with critics regarding their redesign, specifications, camera, and battery life as being improvements over previous iPhone models. However, aspects of the design of iPhone 6 were also panned, including plastic strips on the rear of the device for its antenna that disrupted the otherwise metal exterior, and the screen resolution of the standard-sized iPhone 6 being lower than other devices in its class. Pre-orders of the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus exceeded 4 million within its first 24 hours of availability, an Apple record. More than 10 million iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus devices were sold in the first 3 days, another Apple record. During its lifespan, the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus sold 220 million in total, which makes them the best-selling iPhone models so far, and one of the most successful phones to date. Number 2. The Nokia 1110 and Nokia 1110i are low-end GSM mobile phones sold by Nokia. The 1110 was released in 2005, the 1110i was released in 2006. Both are aimed at first-time mobile phone users. In Nokia's view, the 1110i has the advantage of ease of use, reliability and a low price. These phones are very similar to the Nokia 1100. Between January and May 2007, the 1110 was sold by Nokia as their basic low-end monochrome model, before being superseded by the Nokia 1200. One of its key markets is that of developing countries. The Nokia 1110 is the highest sold mobile device of all time, selling about 250 million units. Number 1. The Nokia 1100 is a basic GSM mobile phone produced by Nokia. Over 250 million 1100s have been sold since its launch in late 2003, making it the world's best-selling phone handset and the best-selling consumer electronics device in the world at the time. The model was announced on the 27th of August 2003 and was discontinued in 2009. The 1100 achieved its popularity despite being made during a time when more modern and advanced devices were available in the market. It was targeted towards developing countries and users who do not require advanced features beyond making calls and SMS text messages, alarm clock, reminders, etc. The Nokia 1100 was the company's cheapest mobile phone when it was released to the market, making it ideal for the developing world. Its feature set is similar to the previous 5110, 3210, 3310 models that were among the most popular mobile phones in the world during their time. Before handsets developed several new features such as cameras, polyphonic ringtones, and color screens.